Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video about Bitcoin. We're going to try to figure out where the money is flowing and if people are trying to drop, a couple of bags here on this cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. Welcome everyone to my channel. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my information and content. I'm here to give you all the news according to the charts, as well as sometimes, my opinion as to what's going on in the economy, as well as in other particular businesses. Now, you guys can see it here in front of you. We did a price prediction in Bitcoin, taking us all the way back to like March 18th, mid-March, looking for Bitcoin to go lower. And as you guys can tell, right here at this buy pocket that we created, that is where those buyers showed up. And that is where the market bounced. And since that time, market price has gone up in Bitcoin. So it was a pretty good call there. Were you able to grab some off the market from Bitcoin here? Because that's around 9, almost 10%. We had two opportunities to get 9.8% out the market in Bitcoin right there. You see that? About 10%, which is very good to see. All right, so let's get rid of that prediction, because apparently you guys can see in Bitcoin's price movement, we are no longer trending down. Price broke that downtrend line, I would say, mid-April. You guys can see it there. So obviously, this is where the money is flowing. People are finding more confidence in buying Bitcoin than they are some other assets, other stocks, other cryptocurrencies in the market today. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create that trend that we are currently on into the market in Bitcoin. We're currently seeing an uptrend occur in this cryptocurrency. Very stout trend too, very steep. You guys can see it's pretty much just shooting straight up in price. And not only that, we also have seen buyers eradicate these sellers within these pockets. So we can also get rid of that too. So everything looks pretty well in the market for Bitcoin for us to see at least a continuation for price progression higher. Maybe even tap that $100,000 price target over the next couple of days. We are going to create a couple more areas that we have seen significant buying occur. So that's a buy pocket right there. And we're going to create this area down here for Bitcoin. Now we might see that a little bit better on the 330, like this area right here could potentially be a buy pocket as well. Okay, so just keep that in mind for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 2, because this cryptocurrency is strong. It is bullish, and we're going to anticipate higher prices. I mean, this is going to be a real simple video. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Look what happened last week right here. Very, very good move. Price did close off the highs, which would be reminiscent of more sellers hitting the price in Bitcoin right here at this sell pocket of around $96,500, but that's cool. I mean, the strength is still there. Buyers are still controlling the price action in Bitcoin, namely off of what happened on this weekly price bar and then the next. We didn't see the market in Bitcoin fall on this weekly price bar. We even received a sell signal in Bitcoin, but as I told you many times on this channel, pockets are stronger than actual price bars. So if you see a market stop from doing something that it should have done and it didn't do it, then obviously that tells you that this pocket was a massive opportunity for people to come in and buy. And here it is, 3 weeks. Price in Bitcoin is knocking on that $100,000 door. So now let's look at this on the 2 weeks. Okay, so pretty good there on the 2 weeks as well. Here is Bitcoin on the 3. We're getting a signal of a buy into the market in Bitcoin on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5. And so far for the month of April, 2 more days. That looks very, very bullish there. Even though we got 2 days and 13 hours, that is a very bullish price bar. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to anticipate Bitcoin continually trying to inch higher in price. We're going to look for the market to try to tag that $100,000 area. So let's go ahead and put this on the daily. So again, that would give us maybe a 5% move at the bottom of this sell pocket, as well as maybe 6%, 5.8% at $100,900. Okay, and then we're going to target next all the way up here around $106,000. Okay. That's 11.19% move there. In Bitcoin, I'm going to hold this sell pocket right here, even though we can see buyers knocking on the door of this sell pocket. I just want to keep you as a reference just in case these buyers are unable to break through this pocket. We already know the reason why price went down. Okay, you guys don't have to question. You guys don't have to wonder what happened. What happened was that there were still sellers in this pocket that made Bitcoin fall. Okay, but as right now, given the different times that we've seen, I don't think the market in Bitcoin is extremely weak yet. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.